Okay, good morning student. Welcome back 10th B science lecture. Chapter number 4, some part symbol flow of the circuit we have done in previous lecture. Now, effect of electric current. One more effect we will learn in electric current, the current passing through the conductor. So first, if the circuit plug switch battery positive negative, when only one it is known as cell, when it is more than one it is said to be battery. Current always flow from positive to negative. So this is positive, so this side. This is positive, so this side. Magnetic needle. Magnetic needle. Magnetic needle. Now tell me your observation from this two diagram. This is circuit, magnet at a distance. Now magnet comes closer. This is also circuit, magnet at a distance. Magnet comes closer. Tell me or try to read the diagram. What I want to say from this diagram. Say, whatever you are observing, whatever you are getting, tell me. Don't worry if it is wrong, I'll correct it. Yes, Sujal, say what you have observed. Say anybody. Say. Okay. Good observation. Then, what is about the electric current? So you'll say, don't see the textbook. Your one idea I want. What you are observing. Okay. Very good. Now what you are exactly observing, tell me. What is your observation? Very good. What is about the direction of the electric current? Okay, anybody else? Now, particular, I will ask the question: what is the change in the direction in both the circuit? Can you say? This direction is anti-clockwise. This direction is clockwise. When electric current flow through the conducting wire, this is the conducting wire. These are the wire. From this, when the electric current flow, magnet is produced. So when it is at a far distance, long distance, more distance, no fluctuation in magnetic needle. When it comes closer, in that direction of electric current, north pole will attract. See, you can see this side, no? So north pole will attract this side, not this side. It is this side. Means here it was steady, north and south. Now when it comes closer, why? First of all, why magnet shows the deflection? The first reason is there is one another magnetic field. Where that magnetic field produce? In this conducting wire. So when electric current flow in the conductor, means in the conducting wire, magnetic power will produce. That is observed and proved by magnetic needle. Now change the direction. That two terminal remove and replace. Now it will go away. South will in this direction. So when you will pass electric current through the conductor, magnetic field will be introduced. That can be checked by magnetic needle. Okay. And when we reverse the current, the deflection of magnetic needle will change. Means when it is passing, so this is positive, this is negative. So towards negative, south pole is there, and towards positive, north pole is there. North, south. So to opposite pole there is an attraction. Now it is opposite. So this will be negative, this will be positive. Positive always north, negative always south. Positive always north, negative always south. So south north attraction. Here this is positive, north. So north repulsion. So like that, from this experiment we have learned that when electric current passes through the conducting wire, it produces electric current. And when you will reverse the electric current, magnetic field also reverse. First, if it is in clockwise, so north pole is repel. Where it is anti-clockwise, north pole attracts. So when direction change, opposite pole will attract. So that is the first. All the magnetic experiment are given by Michael Faraday. The name of scientist who worked on electromagnetism, that is Michael Faraday. Now very important part that will then divide into two more part. Take a cardboard, make a hole, through that pass wire, conducting wire, and it is connected with the battery. Switch. When dot mark is there, means it is on. When it is not there, it is off. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Now, first make it switch off. And spread dust particle of iron. Very finely particles, dust particles you have to spread on the cardboard in a zigzag way. It is not in a particular pattern or in design. Then start the electric current. Electric current will flow from positive direction to negative direction. Correct? See the direction, always from positive to negative. When switch on. Now, like a cardboard, this is a cardboard, I'll give jerk on all 4 points. Somewhere here. Just give a jerk. So all that particles will be automatically arranged in circle. That will be arranged in a circle. So first is smaller circle, then bigger, but the center of all the circle are same. Which center? The hole or the point from which the wire is passing. So it forms concentric ring of iron particles. So these are the magnetic field, magnetic ring, magnetic orbit, which is invisible, but we tries to make visible through the dust of iron. So when electric current will pass, magnetic field will be produced, and see, smaller magnetic field, then bigger, then bigger, then bigger. The biggest circle shows the area of magnetic field produced by that conducting wire. Follow? Now there is a relation between the magnetic field direction and electric current direction. In that direction relation they have proved by right hand rule. This is my right hand, this is thumb. Right hand thumb rule. What is the right hand thumb rule? Your thumb shows the direction of electric current. your thumb shows the direction of electric current, and this is the curve finger. You can see the curve finger shows the direction of the magnetic field. So direction of electric current is down like this. So it is like this in the clockwise. If the direction is up, direction is up, so anti-clockwise. If direction is this way, so away from the body, left side away from the body. If it is right side, right side towards the body. See this side, this side. Again, practically you will come to know better. There is a relation of flow of electric current, means direction of electric current, and the direction of magnetic field. This circle are direction of magnetic field. These are the direction of electric current. Both have common relation. That relation is indicated by right hand thumb. If right hand thumb to my left side, see, so this away from the body, and this side towards the body, upside, anti-clockwise, downward, clockwise. This no need to write clockwise, anti-clockwise, towards the body, away from the body. No. How you will write right hand thumb rule? If we catch the conducting wire, this is a conducting wire I am catching. This point, it is a direction of electric current. So at that time, thumb shows the direction of electric current and my curve finger shows the direction of magnetic field. If it is like this, again thumb shows the direction of electric current and curve finger shows the direction of magnetic field. Up. Thumb always shows the direction of electric current. Curve finger shows the direction of magnetic field. So the relation between the direction of electric current and the direction of magnetic field, which is denoted by right hand thumb. So what is the right hand thumb rule? When electric current passes through the conductor, thumb shows, right hand thumb shows the direction of electric current. Curve finger shows the magnetic direction of magnetic field produced. That is this. This is right hand rule. See, blue point that shows the direction of electric current and the curve finger shows the direction of magnetic field. Now, this I have shown the magnetic field passing from straight wire. Sometime it will pass through the loop, circle. So when it will pass through the loop wire, suppose this is a loop wire, circular loop wire. Correct? Positive, negative, positive, negative. More than two or more battery, it is cell is a battery. So to the positive. First complete the circuit from positive to negative, from positive to negative, from positive to negative. Now here I can put two cardboard. I'll pass one cardboard from this. And one cardboard from this. From through two paper point that center, from that two hole are that, so from that wire will pass. This will pass like this. Like this. Now you can understand. From here like this. From here like this. Now on both the paper, on both the cardboard, right hand thumb rule. This shows the direction of electric current. This shows the magnetic field produced. So it is upside, so this way. Now from here to here it is downside. Now you compare both. This is this side. Both are in opposite direction. Why both are in opposite direction? Because one is up, one is down. Flow of electric current also in opposite direction, opposite direction, opposite direction. That is why it is in opposite direction. It is like this. If I will change battery in this way, negative, positive. So instead of this, it will cross this. Because one is down, one is up, down, opposite, opposite. That is why like this or like this. This is a single, from a single wire. So like that it is a single wire. Then from the rectangle I make circle. So from second point, so it is like this. Opposite. Why the magnetic field direction is opposite? Because current is opposite. Here up, here down. Both the side. They obeys right hand rule. Correct? So this is right hand rule. Right hand rule in loop. In transistor, in speaker, in fan, in motor, when you will open, you will find copper wire, many round on the things. So each and every loop will work like this. So many rounds of copper wire, that is known as solenoid. What is the definition? When a copper wire with a resistive coating is wound on a chain of loop like a spring, it is known as solenoid. It is a spring of copper wire. Suppose this is a copper wire. One round, second round, third round, fourth round. Many rounds. And this is connected with the battery. Positive, negative, positive, negative. So current will pass from positive to negative. So this point, like this, like this, like this, upside also. Like this. This figure. It is a loop of copper wire. So I am not complicating this. So this will be like this. This will be like this. This is this. Through single wire, we have seen the relation of direction of conducting wire and magnetic field direction. Through the loop, this is a single loop. Single wire, with that wire single loop, now multiple loop. This same loop, right hand rule. Here same loop, right hand rule. Here from each and every loop, this is the same loop, right hand rule. So this, see, this is no opposite. Like that it is opposite. So high magnetic power will be used. Sorry, will be produced when electric current will start. If no electric current pass, no magnetic field will be produced. No magnetic field of lines will be produced. So whenever, that is why doorbell also it is working on electromagnetic. So when we press the button, electric current will start, and at that time bell will ring. When we start the fan, at that time it will run. Otherwise it will not run. So when we start the switch, we start the current. So electric current will flow, and there is a coil, there is a solenoid in which the electric current will pass. Magnetic field will be produced, and there is one original magnet is also there. So original magnet and produced magnet. Original magnet original magnet and electromagnetic magnet. What is the meaning of electromagnetic magnet? The magnet which is produced by electricity. Electromagnet, magnet produced by electricity. Simple. In that word only the definition is there. Electromagnet, the magnet which is produced by electricity. So one we are producing, one which is natural. Both will repel each other. That is why it is moving. Motor, generator, fan, washing machine, floor mill. This idea we are using. Right hand rule with single wire, we learn exactly what right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rules means what? Thumb shows the direction of electric current and curve finger shows the direction of magnetic current. Magnetic field. Electric current, magnetic field. Electric current, magnetic field. Electric current, magnetic field. Electric current, magnetic field. Then by 1 point, by 2 point in loop we have seen. Whatever done here, that same done here 2 times. But direction opposite, so direction opposite. From 1 point to 2 point in a loop. Now multiple loop. There are lots of loop found of copper wire, that is a solenoid. uh, generally we call coil. Sometime during the repairing, no, that technician will tell you, beta iska coil jal gaya hai. So this is coil, solenoid. So this is a solenoid. When electric current will pass through each and every loop, every time in two different direction, magnetic field will be produced, and there is already one magnetic field is there, so they repel each other. So this law we are using in motor, generator, dynamo. Now very important, from right hand rule. Now next point, left hand rule. Before that you have to understand the mechanism of that. This is right hand, sorry, left hand. Left hand rule now we are learning. Right hand thumb rule we have done. Now left hand rule. Thumb, first finger and middle finger. This is a middle finger. Thumb, first finger, second finger. Thumb, first finger, middle finger. This you can say third also, this you can say middle also. Because from here also third, here also third. Thumb, first finger, middle finger. Forget about rest of two. All three you have to stretch like these and these are right angle to each other. These and these are right angle to each other. These and these are right angle to each other. And these and these are right angle to each other. Like a corner of the box. This is a cube, like a room. Take any point of the room, corner. So this and this, and this right angle, this and this right angle, this and this are right angle. So this, so thumb, first finger, middle finger. Of this box, take this point. This point. So 1, 2, 3. All three are perpendicular to each other. So like that, this. So like this. This is a thumb, this is a first finger, this is a middle finger. These three are the part of the finger we have to arrange like this. All three are perpendicular to each other. Left hand Fleming's rule. Left hand Fleming rule. First, you have to write the arrangement of three figures. Thumb, first finger, middle finger. All three are arranged in right angle. All three are perpendicular to each other. This is perpendicular to this because 90 degree. This is perpendicular to this 90 degree. This is perpendicular to this 90 degree. All three are perpendicular to each other. Now, each and every finger, including thumb, shows some direction. First, Fleming left hand rule. Thumb, force on the conductor, the force of the conductor, direction of magnetic field, direction of the current, middle finger direction of the current, first finger direction of the magnetic field, direction of the current, middle finger, direction of the magnetic field, first finger, and both are perpendicular and repel each other and give a force on the thumb. So they'll ask Fleming's left hand rule. What you will write? Stretch your thumb, first finger and middle finger of left hand mutually perpendicular to each other like this. Then three direction you have to write. Thumb indicate the force of conductor. First finger shows the direction of magnetic field. Third finger shows the direction of electric current. This we are using in motor generally, where we have to supply the electric current and we have to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. So at that time we are using left hand Fleming rule. Motor, what is the use of motor? Motor. Electric energy, mechanical energy. Fleming's this point is very important. What is the function of motor? Motor, what? Without supplying electric current, motor will not work. So we supply electric current. Suppose fan, inside there is a motor. We provide electric current. Electric current convert into mechanical, electrical energy convert into the mechanical energy. So motor, what is the function of motor? Motor convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. First. Second, in motor, wherever we supply electric current, Fleming's left hand rule, ulta. In generator, in dynamo, by giving mechanical force, electric power will produce. That is a generator. Motor, electric into mechanical. Generator, mechanical into electrical, ulta. So at that time Fleming's right hand rule. मोटर में क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वी प्रोवाइड, इट गिव्स मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. तो फ्लेमिंग लेफ्ट. इन ए जनरेटर we apply mechanical energy, it will give electricity, electric power, electric energy. So at that time Fleming's right hand rule, like this. Again same, this is the force of conductor, this is the magnetic field, this is a electric direction. This also same, this also same, but in this left provide electric energy, from we produce mechanical energy. Here we provide mechanical energy, produce electrical energy. So that is the difference. That these two are a very big question that we will discuss in next lecture. Maths and science, maths part 1 part 2, science part 1 part 2, you have to write in workbook, you have to write in notebook again and again which are the instructions given. This side this year they are very strict. Without any proof, without any backup, we can't give the mark. And this time maximum it is depend on internal marks, so you have to be prepared for that. All your assignment, workbook, presentation, submission on time, because regularly we have to give feedback to the SSC board, and internal assessment should be on the base of this. So don't give a chance any teacher to shout on you. Be regular. Then only you will get very good marks. See, in this pandemic time now they have given directly result. So lots of students are 90 plus. So see, now all of a sudden each and every college, you can see in the first list 3 to 5% increase in their merit list, first merit list. So it is, even after getting 90 plus, it is difficult to get admission in selected college. So from now you open your eyes, do work, because till August you have taken lots of rest time. Now start regular. Maths is a subject of practice. Science is a subject of reading textbook. क्लासेस की नोट्स, इसकी नोट्स, इस ये डाइजेस्ट जीवन दी मास्टर की टेक्स्ट बुक. Remember this golden word, textbook. Other than textbook, no one will help you in science. Okay, all the best. We'll meet tomorrow morning. Thank you.